How to turn on demo mode on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on demo mode on your Android device. It's super useful if you want a clean status bar for screenshots, screen recordings, or just a clutter-free look. So now without further ado, let's get started. So to enable your demo mode, you have to first enable your developer options. So let's get into that first. So here, open the settings, and once you have opened the settings, simply tap on the About Phone option. Now here in this section, simply find your build number and tap on it 7 times until it says you are now a developer. And here, as you can see, I have already enabled the developer mode. It says no need, you are already a developer. And here, once you have enabled the developer mode, you can simply go back to the main settings page, and once you are here, simply tap on the search bar at the top, and here simply search for the developer options. And after that, simply tap on the developer options from the result. And here, once you are inside the developer options, simply scroll down until you find the option labeled as demo mode. And here, once you have located it, just toggle on the demo mode, and once you have enabled it, boom, your status bar is now clean with full signal, battery and time. Demo mode is perfect for clean visuals in tutorials, app previews, or social media screenshots. Just remember, it's for display only. Notification and real-time info won't show while it's on. And that's it. Now you know how to activate demo mode on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.